The Lagos State leadership of Igbo-speaking community paid a thank you visit to the immediate past executive chairman of Amowo Odofin local government, Comrade Ayodele Adewale, at his political office situated in Festac Town, Lagos State. The state president of the group, High Chief Sunday Ude, disclosed their mission, which was first to thank Comrade Ayodele Adewale for facilitating, coordinating and leading the Igbo-speaking community on their condolence visit to the bereaved family of the first civilian governor of Lagos State, late Alhaji Lateef Kayode Jakande, at his residence. They also wanted to appreciate the leadership example which Comrade Ayodele Adewale has and is still demonstrating in Amowo Odofin local government area and Lagos State by extension. The president went further to disclose the readiness of his members in the state to properly integrate with the activities of the APC party and pledge their loyalty to the party and to Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He pleaded with Comrade Ayodele Adewale to officially introduce them to the state party chairman, Alhaji Tunde Balogun, and the national leader of APC, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They also added their voice with Comrade Ayodele and other groups demanding that Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu contest for President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in 2023. Welcoming the guests, Comrade Ayodele Adewale thanked them for recognizing the good governance highly displayed by the late Alhaji Lateef Kayode Jakande in the state, which was a template that he replicated in Amowo Odofin local government area during his tenure as a council boss. He revealed that the state chairman of the party is currently focused on ensuring the success of the ongoing party membership registration and revalidation exercise. He said that the party has extended the exercise for another few days. Nevertheless, he assured them that he would book an appointment with Alhaji Tunde Balogun and Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu and personally introduce the door to the group. Comrade Adewale encouraged them to mobilize people within their jurisdiction to register and revalidate their membership with APC. He stated that the Igbos are well positioned and recognized in the state and would always be considered in the scheme of things. He referenced his tenure as the executive chairman of Amowo Odofin local government area, where qualified Igbos held positions as councillors, special advisors, senior special assistants, and special assistants. He further mentioned that Asiwaju also appointed Igbos into the cabinet as governor of Lagos State and thanked the leadership for adding their voice to the call that Asiwaju should contest as president of Nigeria in 2023. Comrade Adewale said that Asiwaju will make a good president as he will consolidate in the holistic good development of the President Muhammad Buhari's administration. The selected executive members of the Igbo-speaking community that were present at the meeting were Chief Sunday Ude, President, Chief Chuks Odimegu, Secretary General, Mr. Francis Obidike, Chairman Barega Local Council Development Area and SA to the Barega Local Council Development Area Executive Chairman, Chief Tony Okereke, VP, Imo State Indigenes in Lagos, Chima Akomas, SA on Culture, Eda Wik Igwe, Chairman Amowo Odofin Local Government Area Chapter, Chief IGDK, Patron Amowo Odofin Local Government Area Chapter, and Okudire Ude as stakeholder. It will be recalled that Comrade Ayodele Adewale has recently mobilized a number of other major groups to join the APC party. The Arewa Youth Consultative Forum leadership reached out to Comrade Adewale to help them secure a meeting with Asiwaju to discuss on Nigeria's progress amongst other collaborative matters of interest. The majority of the members of the Edo State House of Assembly, as led by retired Honorable Victor Edoro, a retired Brigadier General in the Nigerian Army and a former PDP youth leader who defected to the APC with his large following, have all also reached out to Comrade Adewale and added their voice in demanding that Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu contest for President of Nigeria in 2023. The new members and stakeholders will be officially introduced to the state party structure and Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu very soon. They visited Comrade Adewale on Saturday, 6th March 2021.